everyone, my name is Rachel Tweed, and I'm working toward the Applied Technology degree from Pathways. I live in Orem, Utah in the United States, so I go by Mountain Standard Time. And I'm super sorry that I am very late getting this posted and getting into a group. On the plus side, this is the only class I'm taking this semester, so my schedule is delightfully flexible, and I can meet pretty much at any time that other people are available. For my strengths for this class, I like to think I'm pretty good at making a website from a design standpoint. I already have a certificate in graphic design, and I'm pretty well versed in HTML and CSS, and I actually really enjoy working with CSS to get things to look the way I want. On the other hand, I wish I had some more experience with the actual coding. I've got like the basics down in JavaScript, but not much more than that, and I've never used PHP before. So uh, any help on that would be appreciated. In my spare time, I like playing board games and video games. I like reading, and I like visiting Utah's national parks. When I was growing up, my dad would take me to Arches National Park every year, so that place basically feels like a second home to me. I look forward to working with all of you, and I wish all of us luck for the class.